earn $300 by just typing simple names. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. This is a worldwide opportunity to make money online. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you definitely want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is a great worldwide opportunity, as I said earlier here, to get started to make money online with. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the sites that we are going to have a look at to make money online with this opportunity here is squadhelp.com. This is how it looks when we arrive to the site, and you can see here that people and companies, they come to the site here, they want to find the perfect name for a startup, and that is how it works more or less. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here Squad Help is the largest naming community here. High quality and collaboration, agency level features. You can see that it is featured and has been used by Forbes, the Next Web, Chicago Tribune, Mashable. So 85 industries, there is over 23,168 customers. I'm sorry, 23,168 customers. And so how do name contests work? So if I have a look at it, it is more or less that companies, they come here, they want a name for their brand or something new that they are launching, and that is where you can come in. You are going to be creative with simple names, and you're going to make money with it. So if I just go here, it is explained exactly as I said here. Now there is actually more opportunities that you can make money with, because you can make money with taglines and slogans and logo designs there as well. So if you're creative with taglines and slogans and logo designs, you have more opportunities to make money here. So if I just go here, you can see these are actually some winners, proof that they have won here. There is one that has won $100 here. Blue Crescent, this is for a name, $300. So if I just scroll down a little bit, you can see that there is a variety. This is for winning design, for logo design, $300. $200 for analyze, innovate, deliver here, a tagline. So as I said, that there is more opportunities to make money with. Tons of people that is making money consistently on this site here. If I just have a quick look on a profile, a winning profile, you can see here that this girl, she has made $47,806 here, okay, in total earnings. This is how I eat and pay the bills, as she says here. So she is definitely creative, have come up with definitely a lot of names and stuff here. You can see she has participated in 2,000 contests, over 2,000 contests. She has won 64 of them. So you just have to be creative actually, and post and bid on as many offers as you can there, okay? This is another one. He's a graphic designer, so he has made over $35,000 here by being creative with making logo designs there. So what you can do is you can actually have a quick look at let's see here, the active contests. You can see that there is actually 416 contests available as I'm recording this video now. So the first one starts with logo for Codeblue that you can make $500. Okay, so it's even more. Here is name of an app connecting mobile food. You can make $500 here also. True logo concepts, 300. Brand name for a cryptocurrency trading platform, $300, and it goes on and on. So as I said, all you need to do is actually being creative, come up with names, logo designs if you're good at graphics, and of course taglines there, as you could see earlier here also. They do pay out via PayPal also. When I checked out, has really good reviews, so all you have to do is more or less actually to get started, go here, get started to sign up with squad help and be as creative as possible. Alright, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. I highly suggest you to check it out to build a real sustainable online business there. Just go there and check it out. If you got some value out of this video, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both these channels. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.